Is she okay? Oh, fuck.
Oh my God, dude. Holy hit and run, and then runs a red light.
Oh my God.
Oh, 911. Yeah, so I just had a hit and run, and then she ran a red light in front of us and got T-boned by a truck and flipped over 4 times in front of us. Somebody's pulling her out of the car right now. Goodness.